Some people ask about mirin, how important it is in Japanese cooking. In today's video, I'm gonna make a teriyaki chicken with a surprising substitute. Watch until the end to see the result. Let's get started. One of my wonderful viewers once shared a great tip with me. If you mix honey and white wine, it becomes like mirin. Let's see how it compares. Today, I'm putting this idea to the test by making teriyaki chicken with both real mirin and white wine and honey substitute. Let's find out if we can taste the difference. Here's how you can make a simple mirin substitute at home. If it's hard to mix, microwave for 10 to 20 seconds. That's it! Your homemade mirin substitute is ready. But how does it compare to the real thing? Let's taste both side by side. First, the substitute. Since it contains honey, the sweetness is more direct and noticeable. It has a slight bitterness from the wine, but there's still a depth of sweetness. Now, real mirin. The sweetness is more subtle and balanced. And it has a gentle umami. And this is a kotteri mirin I picked up in Hawaii. It's thick and syrupy and intensely sweet. But interestingly enough, the white wine and honey version tastes more similar to regular mirin. Now, let's cook the teriyaki chicken using both versions and see how they turn out. I'm using boneless skin-on chicken size, cut in half, about 10 ounces. Pre-season with a little ginger juice and sake for the extra flavor. Dust with potato starch or cornstarch, and place the chicken skin side down in a cold non-stick pan. And no oil is needed if you use the non-stick pan. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is crispy. Flip it over and cover again and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Remove excess fat with a paper towel, and this helps the sauce stick better. Add sugar, sake, and white wine and honey mixture substitute and soy sauce. Turn up the heat and coat the chicken until it's glossy and caramelized. And cook the real mirin version in the same way. And let's take a look. At the first glance, both look almost the same. Beautifully glazed and smells so good. But what about the taste? The white wine and honey version is sweeter than usual, as expected from honey, and it has a light and refreshing slight acidity from the white wine. This would be great for kids or those who enjoy the sweeter teriyaki. And the real mirin version, the texture is slightly firmer due to the mirin's ability to help the ingredients to hold their shape. The sweetness is mellow and balanced and blending smoothly with the soy sauce. This is the classic teriyaki flavor I'm used to. And here is the final thought. Which one is better? Honestly, it depends on your preference. If you love the traditional teriyaki, mirin is the way to go. And if you want a refreshing twist, try the white wine and honey substitute. And one thing I have noticed, when mixed with soy sauce, the difference isn't as obvious. If you cannot find a mirin in your area, this substitute is a great alternative. Just use any affordable white wine and honey. The one thing I have noticed, when mixed with soy sauce like teriyaki, the difference isn't as obvious. Would you like me to try making another dish with this substitute next time? So what would you like me to cooking? Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!